Today we're taking a look at the DJI Mini 3, and in this video, we'll show you how our team inspects open box units of this model. As I mentioned in the previous video, you can think of open box units as basically brand new. They've never been activated or used, the box has just been opened. Now let's take a look at how our team inspects the units. Looking at the exterior, we can see that the drone's gimbal is intact with no signs of damage. You can also see that the body is intact with no scratches. Next, we'll insert the battery and let the drone run its self-check. All right, that wraps up the exterior inspection of the drone. Next, let's take a look at the remote control. The screen is perfectly smooth with no scratches or damage, and all other accessories are included. Now we need to connect the remote to the drone to check whether it has already been activated. The red light on the remote turns green, indicating that it has successfully paired. This screen shows that the drone hasn't been activated yet, which is exactly what we define as open box.